हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ अनीश शर्मा एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल शर्मा सर। जैसा कि पिछले वीडियो में हमने फ्लावर के पार्ट्स की लेबलिंग की थी, इस वीडियो में हम फ्लावर के मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन और फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन यानी स्टेमन और कार्पेल के जो पार्ट्स हैं उनकी लेबलिंग करेंगे। ये दोनों डायग्राम इतने इम्पोर्टेंट तो हैं नहीं सीबीएसई पेपर के लिए, बट हमें नॉलेज होनी चाहिए इनकी कि स्टेमन और कार्पेल के कौन कौन से पार्ट होते हैं। So let's start with male reproductive organ, stamen. So firstly, draw the diagram of stamen. This is the diagram of stamen or male reproductive organ of flower. It contains three parts: the outermost part and the upper part and the third part. The first part is called filament. A pollen tube, a tube-like structure, is called filament, and the solen structure present in the upper part of filament is called anther, and anther contain pollen grains. And so anther is the main reproductive organ of flower because it contains pollen grains, and pollen grains are responsible for reproduction in plants and flowers. So these are the three parts of stamen: filament, anther and pollen grains. The tube-like structure is called filament. The solen structure present in the uppermost part of filament is called anther, and the pollen grains present in anther. Now we understand the diagram of carpel or the female reproductive organ of flower. So friends, this is the diagram of carpel. It has another diagram which is known as germination in pollen on stigma. Germination of pollen on stigma. We shall discuss that diagram in our next video, and this is the another diagram of carpel. We shall discuss this diagram in our other video, and it is the important diagram for CBSE exam paper 2021 because it is repeated many times. So let's discuss the diagram of carpel. Carpel contains 5 parts. The topmost part of carpel or first part of carpel is called stigma. Second, or tube-like structure which joined ovary and stigma is called style. And the third part is called ovary. This structure is called ovule, which is present inner side of the ovule. And this is the female gamete or egg. So these are the 5 parts of carpel or female reproductive organ. First part is called stigma. Second part, which joined ovary and stigma, is called style. Third part, ovary. Fourth part, ovule, and fifth part female gamete or egg. In this figure we can see that firstly pollen grains come on stigma, then through style they reaches to the female gamete and fused with this egg, and hence seed is formed. We will discuss this diagram in our next video because it is important, so I will make a separate video on this diagram. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you friends, and meet in again in new video.